Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denitris, and today I am here with a unboxing video for you guys. I'm going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing of the bag I just purchased recently. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel, of course. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. So I went to the Louis Vuitton store. I didn't order it online, but it does come, this bag is huge. It does come in this big bag. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you. This box is huge. So let's take the ribbon off. And then it comes with this little flap here. And so this is the bag. It comes with a dust bag, which is very, very nice. And essential. Definitely need a dust bag. I have it out of the box. This is the dust bag. So this is the bag. This print is the Damier Abine, I think. Abine. Don't quote me on it. I think it's called Damier Abine. It's the checkered print. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. I first came into it wanting the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM in the monogram print. But the monogram print, you definitely have to baby more. You have to take really, really, really good care of it. I mean, you have to take care of all of them, but that one you really have to baby. It doesn't come included with like a coating over the leather. So it is just like all like regular like leather, and it does something called patina. So that just means that over time, it does change color. It darkens a little bit, but I wanted that one in the red interior. That's the one that I absolutely wanted. So I got to the store. They only had one bag left, and it was this one. But when I saw it in person, I was like, oh yeah, like this is the bag. I don't want to have to baby my bag. I want to use my bag. So I did get this one. It has the leather that's like coated. So it's definitely a lot more like durable. It's not as flimsy. The straps kind of stay more in shape with this one. It doesn't wear as much, which is absolutely great, because I didn't buy this bag just to leave it in my closet. I definitely want to use it. So online, it looks a lot different as far as like the color in the inside. The color in the inside is the ballerine, and it is this beautiful light pink color. Even on camera, like this camera doesn't even do it justice, but it's like, not a baby pink, not too soft, but it's almost like a lighter version of a Barbie pink. Online, it did appear to look very light, like almost white, and that's why it didn't really catch my eye at first, but seeing it in person was a complete game changer. This, I just totally fell in love with. So this is the print. This bag comes in a PM, a MM, and a GM. It's the Neverfull. The PM is the smaller one, which definitely wouldn't work for me. This is the medium-sized bag. It's a really great everyday bag. And then the GM is just more so to me for like travel and carrying more things. It's absolutely huge. Like it's really, really big. But yeah, this is the perfect medium for sure. So it has the nice straps. It has the little straps on the side here as well. Opening it up is really, really deep in there. Like it can definitely hold a lot. It really is Neverfull. Like you can put so much stuff in it. It also comes included with this pouch, which is another reason why I absolutely wanted it. It's almost like a 3-in-1, and I'll show you guys what I mean by that later. But this is called the pochette, and you can definitely detach this from the bag and use it like a clutch. Like if you don't wanna, if you're out and you don't wanna take your big bag with you, you can just detach it. So it attaches right here, this clip. You just like take it off. And then it has a little ring here. So you just take the clamp and clamp it to the ring, and now you have a nice little clutch. So I really, really like this about the bag. So it also has like a zipper in it. So like a separate section to where you can put things in here. And they do sell organizers on like Amazon if you just don't want your stuff just like thrown all in here, and you want to be able to like organize it a lot better. They do sell those on Amazon. They fit perfectly inside of the bag. Also, if you don't want to wear your bag open, you can also clamp it together. It doesn't come included with a zipper. So if you like a zipper, you probably won't like this bag, but I don't mind it. You just literally take the clamp and just clamp it together like this, and there you have it. So the versatility of this bag is absolutely everything. Like I said, you get your main bag, you get the pochette, which is like the little clutch / wallet, whatever you want to make it, and then this bag transforms into a completely different shape. So if you take the sides of the bag, and I'll show you, take the sides, and you use this little strap here. You fold it like this on the side. And you use this strap and you just kind of like slide it up like this. And do that on both sides. You guys, it literally gives the bag a completely different look. Like it's just cinched in on the sides there. So that's what I meant by like the versatility of this bag is everything. It's like a 3-in-1. So you have the regular look, you have the cinched in look. So you can definitely carry it like this. And then you can also carry your little clutch thing. So it's definitely a really, really, really good investment. I can tell that I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this bag. And if you wanna just turn it back to its original shape, you just pull the little straps down and it's back to the normal shape. So very, very easy. This bag is definitely something that's good for every day. It's good for work, school, for travel. That's one of the main reasons that I got it as well, because I'm not gonna be doing a lot of traveling now because of what's going on, but when I do, this is definitely gonna be my travel bag for sure. The quality is A1, it's absolutely amazing. So it's definitely highly, highly recommended. It does come in 3 different prints. So you have this print, you have the monogram print, which is like the LV all over, and then you have this same print, but like in a white and like dark blue. It almost looks gray. So yeah, I just decided to go with this one. I feel like it's not gonna get dirty quick. And like I said earlier, you just do not have to baby it at all whatsoever. So if you guys have been interested in buying a Louis Vuitton bag, I feel like this is a great starter bag to have. Definitely give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so, so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.